Start with 2 wheels, kind of far apart, and then you're going to connect them with a line. Put another 2 lines like that. And then I like to make this little ledge that it sits on, so it's almost like a super long rectangle. I'm going to grab my red. So do a straight line first, angle it up, over to about halfway, but a little short of that. Down like that. And then start a little later, like that. And then almost to the end. Not quite meet up where that is. So you can have a little bit of a slant, but it's okay if you go all the way. And then I like to draw some windows. Maybe a little skinny window in between the 2. And then 2 lines there. 3 lines. And then in the middle, you're gonna take your gray, and you're gonna connect it just below the top of those 2 red lines. And you're gonna put some circles, maybe a big one there. Couple lines for the instrument panel. Cannot forget about the light. One of the most important parts. Take our gray again. I'm gonna make this kind of pyramid shape up there. And then of course for the best part that really makes it a fire truck. One big long rectangle up here. And a couple X's. Some lines to finish it off. And there you go, a fire truck. Before I draw a sailboat, I always like to start with some water. So let's go up and down right here. And next, just draw 1 line right there. And then 2 diagonals like that. And then sailboats have that big mast. We'll take our red, make a little flag, just put a little triangle up on top. And take your gray or whatever color you want for the sails. And make a half a triangle there. And half a triangle there. Last but not least, I like to put some portholes. Line there as well. The cool thing about sailboats, you can do some fun stuff with the sails and draw whatever you want in there. So do a little sun, maybe some waves as well. I'll just do that here. You could really do whatever you want. There you go, a sailboat. So of course, 2 wheels. All cars have 2 wheels. There you go. We'll make a blue car today. Take a line and put it in the middle. And then we'll start with the front down here and the back over here. The backs of cars usually go up, so we're going to go ahead and just put that right there. And then do a little line up, and for the hood and about the end of the tire, create a steep angle. And then go straight and then curve it down for the trunk. There you go. And then add some windows. And once again, there's a lot of different shapes for cars. So I mean, you could really do anything. You can make the hood longer or shorter, or you can make it more sporty. And last, you'll add some door handles there. And maybe a headlight. And do a backlight. And of course, no car's complete without going fast. You're gonna start at a point, and then you're gonna end either side at this line. I always love to do red. Tip like that. And then once again, pick 2 dots like that. Straight over, you're gonna do the same thing. There you go. There's your fins. You can make a little porthole. That. So just draw a circle, and then I like to do a lot of little dots for the rivets, and you can do that even up here as well. And even the whole rocket. Just like that. And then you can make a nozzle. And then for the flames, orange and yellow. There you go, a rocket. We'll draw 2 big circles for tires. And then grab whatever color you want the truck to be. I'll make it green today. And then you're gonna put these 2 little semicircles for wheel wells. Connect them. Like that. And then put a line there. Like that. Right, there we go. We'll draw a window. And a door handle. Maybe some trim right there. Monster trucks are usually really colorful and fun, so feel free to switch colors halfway through or make certain designs. I'll take some orange, do like a roll cage here, maybe a light. I mean, you could draw flames on it. You could draw really anything you want. Now we got to connect the wheels and the truck. First, a lot of monster trucks just have this thing in between that kind of bridges the gap, and then I like to go back with gray. To just connect everything. Of course, if you want to add some more detail, you can just put like an X here, maybe something on the bottom, and then you could even go back and add some hubcaps to the tires. Even there we go, a monster truck. So I find it easiest if you start with the wings. Big one, and then the back little one. 2 lines right there. Connect them. That. Go back and do this wing. Kind of easier if you go forward where the wing would end and then come back. that. All the windows. And all the little dots for the passenger windows. There you go. There's a plane.